Hello and welcome to Regina's Never Fail Recipes. You can see all excited Irene with me. Today is her birthday, not only hers. We are celebrating 3 birthdays today. Irene and then our neighbor's daughter Adira. It falls on the same date. Our neighbors are our extended family. They are always with us in our happiness and also there for the support in difficult times. And my nephew Tomin's birthday is also there. Oh, he's also coming down. Adira, you must be thinking a girl of 6 or 7 years. No, she is a mother of 2 little cute girls, twins. So she is coming down all the way to cut the cake with Irene. So it's an understanding between Adira and Irene that one year they celebrate in Adira's place, the next year in Irene's place. Last year we all celebrated the birthday in Adira's place. So this year it is in Irene's house, that is our ancestral house. Irene is pretty sure what she wants, what type of cake she wants to cut. She wants to cut a Barbie doll cake all by herself and she wants a wancho cake, that is the trending cake in Kerala, to cut along with Adira. This Barbie doll cake is baked and decorated by her aunt and I will be going to make the wancho cake. So to be a part of our celebration and to know the recipe of the wancho cake, please stay tuned.
For making wancho cake, we need a vanilla cake and a chocolate cake. Let us make the vanilla cake first. For that, first we have to beat the eggs. That is 4 eggs I have taken. So beat it and then now we will add powdered sugar. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar and add little by little and then keep beating. So gram measurements I will be giving in the description box. So let's beat the egg and sugar till it become light and fluffy. Now it's the time to add vanilla essence. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence is added. Now we have to add oil. Here I have taken half cup of refined oil, 1/4 cup I have added. Now 1/4 cup to add. So let's beat it and then add the remaining 1/4 cup. The wet batter is ready. Now we have to add the dry ingredients. For dry ingredients, here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida and in grams it will be 200 grams and into it I have added 2 teaspoons of baking powder and I sieved this flour and baking powder 3-4 times to incorporate it well. So now add the flour into the wet mixer and then gently cut and fold. For making chocolate cake, the recipe is same. The only difference is that in 2 cups, 1.5 cup of flour and half cup of cocoa powder. We have to prepare a baking tin. Put parchment paper or butter paper on the bottom of the pan and then just add this ready mix into it. Tap it 2-3 times to remove all the air bubbles in it. And here I am baking it for 150 degree Celsius till it has been done. It is depending upon each oven how much temperature we have to use. Normally it is 150 to 160 degree. If I keep it on 180 degree, it gets burnt. So I normally keep it around 150 degree. Now the cake is getting ready. We have to prepare the ganache. We have to make 2 ganache. One is white chocolate compound ganache and second one is milk chocolate compound ganache. So let's prepare first the milk chocolate compound ganache. For that I am using double boiling method. In a saucepan the water is kept. When it is boiling, I kept a bowl. Into it I have added 100 grams of fresh cream. Into it I have added 200 grams of milk chocolate compound and then just mix it till it get melted. Same way for a white chocolate ganache you have to use 150 grams of fresh cream. Into it add 300 grams of white chocolate compound and then Same method, just mix it and prepare it. So both the ganache is required for icing. Keep stirring till all lumps get dissolved. So both the ganache is ready. Now we have to make the whipping cream. For here I have taken 1.5 cup of cream which is already sweetened. So I am not adding any icing sugar into it. You have to beat it till it makes stiff peaks. So use the hand beater and keep on beating it till you get the stiff peak. And in the meantime you have to cut the cakes into two halves, vanilla as well as the chocolate cake. You have to cut it into two halves. For making sugar syrup, we have to put 3 tablespoons of sugar in half cup of water and just dissolve it. That is used for moistening the cake. Here I have got the cherry syrup, so I am using that. So here I am using a cherry syrup which is already there in the fridge. Just keep pouring on it and make it moist. Then add the whipped cream on the top of it and nicely spread around the cake, on the top of the cake. Now vanilla cake we have kept. Next should be the chocolate cake. Again moist the cake using the sugar syrup. Moist well so that the cake become all the more soft. So the chocolate ganache which we have prepared, just beat it to make it till more smoother and then spread it on the top of the chocolate cake. Now the third layer is again a vanilla. Again moist it with the sugar syrup. Continue the process. Now the last cake, that is chocolate cake, again moist it using the sugar syrup, and then we have to cover it with the whipped cream, and the sides also cover it, and then remove all the extra cream and then clean it. On the top of it you add the white chocolate ganache, spread it, well remember all this this cake, the ganache which we are using, it should be cool, otherwise that cream it will get melted. Now add the chocolate ganache on the top of the leftover, and then just using a toothpick or a fork or anything, you just give a design into it, and after that just keep it in the refrigerator and then it's done. അയർ കെട്ടി അത് രണ്ടുപേരും കൂടെ കെട്ടി
recipe.